In this video, we explain the difference between ECE R65 Class 1 and Class 2. R65 is the standard for warning lights on vehicles, such as beacons, flashers, and light bars. The standard sets requirements for, among other things, light intensity, visibility, and the light pattern. Within ECE R65, there are two classes. The difference lies in the level of light intensity. Class 1 has a fixed light intensity. The lighting therefore always operates at the same brightness, both during the day and at night. Class 2 has a switchable level, a daytime mode with higher intensity, so the lamp remains clearly visible even in bright daylight, and a nighttime mode with lower intensity to reduce glare. In practice, this means the following. If a vehicle operates both during the day and at night, or in varying conditions, Class 2 is often the best choice. If a vehicle operates mainly under more consistent conditions, then Class 1 may be sufficient. It is important to know that R65 does not specify which class applies to which type of vehicle. The standard, therefore, does not make a distinction based on vehicle category. At TRALERT, you will find both Class 1 and Class 2 warning lights, equipped with the proper certifications for your application. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.